Well, today was the hottest day so far this year. I don't know, I think it's like 30 degrees, 27 degrees with the humidex. I've actually got sunscreen on. Got home from work, it's like 6:30 at night. Sun's still up, the wind's starting to pick up, so it's gonna start cooling stuff down soon. But we have this car right here because my buddy's gonna come and start driving it. He's got to put some brake lines on it. He went to drive it away last night and the brake lines blew. So he's gonna return my 4-cylinder Solera and take this V6 Camry. I'm not really thinking it's a big loss, to be honest, because I like 4 cylinders and I don't like 6 cylinders. That's him calling right now. Listen to that ringtone. So my goal for tonight is to, one, help Jesse put new brake lines into that car because he's incompetent. Just blatantly incompetent. And then after that, what we're going to do is, as you can see, these struts, the springs are actually broken in them. And I don't really have time to take these struts apart, put new springs into them. So I'm just going to put these springs into them, and, the whole struts assembly into there, and make this car running and driving because my mother's muffler fell off her car. So tomorrow night when I get home from work, I got to fix her car. So non-stop work for me. But let's pull these struts off, get new struts on, put the axles back in because they've pulled out. Then we have to hook the starter up, hook all my wiring up, go in the house and get a wiring kit for this thing, install the wiring, and then get this thing to run. Does it have oil? Ooh, maybe has oil? Maybe? I'll just put that in there and say I checked. Yes, it's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. But we got a little bit ahead of us tonight. I'm not sure how far we're going to get, but let's get going. Jesse and I spent a little bit of time on this car the other night, and we kind of decided it's not worth it. If you take a look, it needs all new brakes. So I'm talking calipers, pads and rotors, maybe even calipers, and with the 2 broken brake lines, just kind of is a shame. But still gonna be a great derby car. Runs great, no engine lights. Oh well. Just another derby car. So that's the story on this. We spent about, I don't know, an hour and a half looking at it, pulling the tires off, starting to do brake lines, and then just giving up on it. So he's keeping the Solera, and I'm pretty sure he's going to take his Camry wagon back. So it's going to kind of suck not having that Camry wagon, but I knew that this was a possibility. Damn you, Jesse. Damn you. But, oh well. Getting a little bit more done on that Camry inside the shop as well. Always something to do around here.